Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change out your hose scrubber on your Pentair Platinum pool cleaners. Stay tuned. Alright, and we're back. So, I got my Pentair Platinum here. Thing's a sweet cleaner. I'm going to show you guys how to change out your hose scrubbers. So, hose scrubbers, these things go quickly. So, if this black scrubber is not on the bottom of your pool cleaner, you need to replace it. If this thing's running all the time, you guys are going to go through these things. It's going to feel like probably once every single month. It's going to get a rip, it's going to get a tear, it's going to grind down, it's going to just disintegrate. So make sure this has this, because this is very essential in cleaning your pool, because this thing's going to whip back and forth and actually clean the bottom of your pool. If this thing's not on there, it might actually like leave marks or something, but definitely get it cleaned, or not cleaned, but replaced. All you're gonna do is you're gonna hold it in one hand, grab the other one, and then just pull it off. Really simple. So here's your scrubber, put it back on, it just literally goes over the top, and you just kind of have to pull it down over this ring assembly right there. And then, because that's actually what keeps the grip on there, so then it doesn't just keep sliding off by itself. You kind of have to work with it a little bit. And then once I'm through, you want the end of your scrubber assembly to sit flush across where the jet assembly is right there. So now that that's on there, this thing will be nice, clean, the bottom of your pool again. So I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.